magnetic fields are invisible. However, we can use the apparatus shown to visualize the magnetic field pattern. I'll show you how to do this. First, fix a bar magnet to the underside of a Perspex board with sellotape. Then, sprinkle iron filings onto the board. Tap the board gently. Observe the pattern carefully. Now, fix 2 bar magnets to the underside of the board with the unlike poles facing each other. Again, use iron filings to visualize the magnetic field pattern. Observe the pattern carefully. Repeat with the like poles of the magnets facing each other. How does the magnetic field pattern change? Finally, attach 2 flat Magnederm magnets to a steel yoke with the unlike poles facing each other. Place the Perspex board on top. Sprinkle iron filings onto the board and observe the magnetic field pattern formed carefully.